Welcome to my channel. Top Cars channel. Please subscribe to get new updates. It's somewhere between van and crossover. Toyota effectively started the funky box trend in America with the original Scion XB. The company has abandoned the sub-segment since killing off the second-generation model in 2015. The Japanese automaker has shown renewed interest in this niche, though, first with the FT4X that debuted at the New York Auto Show, and now with this TJ Cruiser it will reveal at the Tokyo Motor Show. According to Toyota, the TNTJ stands for Toolbox, because this practical little machine can be used like one to store all sorts of stuff. We suspect that a toolbox was also a key design inspiration. It's all slab sides and sharp corners like a traditional metal toolbox. The interior continues the theme of straight lines and practicality. The instruments are laid out in a thin and wide binnacle on the dash. The steering wheel is squared off with a horizontal rectangle functioning as the spokes. There are also functional and decorative woven straps throughout the TJ. Even the door panels look like pegboards. All seats but the drivers fold completely flat, and the backs are covered in the same bed liner material as found on the exterior. The seat backs have plenty of tie-down points, too. Add in the sliding rear doors, and the TJ Cruiser seems like a very versatile little hatch.